To change your Apple account avatar on the iPhone 17, just go to the settings, go into your Apple account at the top, and click just over here to open the avatar. So you can get some quick recommendations from here, but also when you go into the option called Photos, you can basically take the photo right now or go to the photo library and you can simply pick any photo that you want. So if I want to get this one, for example, I have to just tap on it, and here I can also edit this picture by clicking on the customize. I can actually change the layout like so, and also some suggestions, some filters. Click choose, click here on the right upper corner, you can choose a poster, and after a few seconds it will change. So we have to click apply. Now we have to go back and just wait for some changes. It will apply it after a few moments. There we go.